Kunal as well as Nooresh joining in right now. And Kunal, let's get in your take then on the Nifty Bank, because you were ready, mic'd up, and we were, ready to really hit that gong and really pop the bubbly, if you will. But it was so close, and then that decline came in. And we're talking about that participation as well from the private banks versus PSU banks. What's your take on the Nifty Bank?
I think we missed it by 10 paise, not even 10 points for the Bank Nifty. But no regrets. I think the way in which the markets have approached in the last 1.5 odd month is just nothing short of exceptional. In fact, the set of data points which I was actually looking out for was to try and compare the list of stocks from 14th of December closing to the closing of yesterday, and there's a stark difference in terms of the kind of stocks which have actually gained from the banking index. So, for example, the likes of CSB Bank, that's the top performer from the relative highs of 14th of December for the banking index. That's a stock which is up 11%. Most of the other stocks are marginally higher. So I think HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, these stocks are up 1%, 3% approximately from their 14 December highs. And most of the other PSU banking names are actually down some 20%, 15% on an average from their 14 December highs. So that itself tells you that the composition of stocks in this move over the last 1.5 odd month has been completely different. It's more dependent on large cap names, and that's why the move would be more solid and it would be more sustainable, like what we've seen, like what we did not see last time around. So I think there should be more legs on the upside, maybe a delay of 1 or 2 days for the new high being hit, but I think it should be more sustainable this time around.
Nooresh, let's get in your outlook as well then on the markets and the overall setup. No regrets perhaps, but what are the levels that you're anticipating today?
So overall, expecting the markets to continue to in this slow and steady uptrend, which is where the target price has been 18,600, 800 for the Nifty, which is where you continue to ride. Now, Bank Nifty, after breaking out above that 43,700, becomes a buy on dips, and which is where if it sustains above this 44,000 mark, we could go towards 45,500. The only reason being a little conservative and making a buy on dips on the Bank Nifty is the fact that HDFC Bank, which is like 25-28% of the Bank Nifty, has not broken out. Kotak Mahindra Bank at least is closer to a breakout. The rest of the names continue to be in strong, say, trends. So if HDFC Bank breaks out, it becomes easier to go to that 45 and 500 mark in a faster way. So overall, the trend is positive. Going forward, we could continue to see this a period of stock-specific returns. Till the time the trend continues, we don't need to fight it. So for now, the trend change points would be closer to 18,000 on the Nifty, and say after a week or so, we'll shift it to 18,200. So till that point of time, we continue to be in this momentum, ride it up.